I've got 1 TB of internet left and I'm on a mission to use it all before it resets. But I need a download manager that's free, fast and actually works well. In this video, I will show you the most unrated but powerful download manager in the world, one that might be just better than IDM. I found this project, Perspolis Download Manager. This one is free and open source software. You can see the codes on GitHub. If you scroll a bit, you'll see it's available for Linux, for macOS, for Windows, and even it's available for BSD. So it supports lots of things. If you want to install this download manager based on the operating system that you have, just click on the link at the below part of them. Okay, as an example for Ubuntu, this one, for macOS, this one, for Windows, this one. As you can see in here, it says download exe package from release page. So I click in here. I need to scroll more to see this part. Okay, this .exe files are for Windows, this one is for Debian for Linux, and this one is for macOS. So based on the device that you have, you can easily download this software. Shout out to Perspolis team to create this cool software. I just use these codes in my terminal to install Perspolis Download Manager. Let's test this software. The download speed is pretty good, but I need to mention you a cool note. In more option of the download part, you will see number of connections. For some websites, you need to decrease it between 8 up to 16 because the host of the website won't let you connect more than this amount and you can't download anything from that website. So if you start downloading a file and that one didn't download, you need to decrease this number between 8 to 16. In this part, you can change the download folder and tell this software remember this path. The other cool feature that this app supports is you can create a text file, put all the links in there, and then give it into this software. So it can easily start downloading all files for you as fast as possible. If the developers can create an extension for this software, it will be amazing. You can simply press on the URL and it will download from this Perspolis app. All done. In this video, I will show you how to use Google AI for free. See you there.